Parehas pong makapal ang mga ito. 98 pages ang third complaint, 72 pages ang fourth complaint, at pareho po itong may kalakip na napakaraming dokumento. Kung susumahin natin lahat at kasama ang mga kalakip na dokumento, lampas 900 pages ang third impeachment complaint at halos 800 pages ang fourth impeachment complaint. Hindi ito biro. Ito ay seryosong mga paratang na nangangailangan ng seryosong pagsusuri. Ang bawat pahina ay may katanungan. At ang bawat katanungan ay nangangailangan ng sapat na kasagutan. This is meticulous, detailed work that demands careful review and our full attention. Once again, let me reiterate, at this stage, we are not determining the guilt. We are not weighing the evidence. The only question before us is there enough in these complaints to justify moving forward with the impeachment process? Ito bang nakasaad dito? Sapat ba itong dahilan para sa impeachment? Now, I must acknowledge that yesterday was an interesting day. We witnessed a fascinating display of foresight, a moment when a colleague sought to act on a premonition to address some matter before it even happened. But today, we leave the world of premonitions behind. We are not fortune tellers. Our duty is to scrutinize the documents now before us. Our focus is to determine whether the third and fourth impeachment complaints are sufficient in substance. Now more than ever, we must recognize the gravity of our duty. We are tasked not just with reviewing paperwork, but with making sure that the Constitution is duly followed. If the allegations are worthy of consideration, it is our responsibility to proceed to the next step in holding the highest officials of the land accountable for their actions. Kaya't magpatuloy tayo ng maingat at may integridad. Let us proceed constitutionally, upholding the process set forth by our fundamental law. Let us act with the integrity demanded by our oath of office and with the transparency expected by the Filipino people. Muli, itutuloy na natin ang pagdinig para sa prosesong ito. Ang saligang batas ang ating kumpas, ang katotohanan ang ating landas. Maraming salamat po.